Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and we're here once again at the Ego headquarters. And today we're going to talk about the Ego Hedge trimmer, and Barnaby is here to tell us all about it. Thanks for having us once again.
Hey, no problemo. Love the Hedge trimmer, and so do my neighbors. It's like the most borrowed tool in my neighborhood because everybody they have the cord of lame is what I call it. Everybody cuts the cord if it's a corded hedge trimmer. With this, totally hands-free, free to move about the country. And check this out, it's got a 24-inch bar here, Lou.
I was noticing that. That's longer than most battery and or corded tools out there,
right?
Which really gives you added reach.
Totally, and it's got a 1-inch cut capacity, so when you get it where you want it, you can cut everything in its path. And as far as the motor goes, it's a brushless motor. And here's an interesting safety tip. Watch your hands.
I'm going to move my hands.
Right, you've got this safety here, but you also have to engage this one here, and that's how it starts. And so the reason behind that is, so many people reach with their hedge trimmer, and we just want to make sure that people have a good base when they're handling our hedge trimmer.
Barnaby, one thing that I want you to touch on, and I think it's important to reiterate, is the fact that the entire Ego line, whether it's a hedge trimmer or a weed whacker or even your lawnmower, uses the same battery, correct?
Yes. All of our batteries are 56-volt arc lithium. Now they come in different sizes. Right. What does a size mean? Simply how long they'll run. So obviously for a handheld tool that demands less power, we have the 2.5 amp hour battery, slaps on just so, and it'll run it for about 45 minutes of continuous trigger time. If you put the bigger battery on, which would be a 5 amp hour battery, you can do that because, again, it's an open cavity. The battery could be this big and still fit on the tool. So to your point, every tool will run off of every Ego battery. It's really just a question of how long.
With this long bar, you also have some pretty revolutionary cutting capacity, right?
Right. It's the world's first hedge trimmer, battery power, that has a 1-inch cut capacity. So with these hardened steel blades, anything that's the size of your thumb or smaller is going to be cut cleanly and effectively.
Yeah, really well done. And I particularly like the safety features. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
If you want more information about the entire Ego line that you can find at your local Ace hardware store, then all you have to do is stop by. Remember, Ace is the helpful place.